Do you feel like your lungs are suffering? Want to try decongesting your lungs? Do not worry, we have some solutions for you. Hello people, welcome back to our channel, Vitality Plus, where we discuss everything about health and a perfect lifestyle. In today's video, we are going to focus on vitamins. Yes, vitamins can cure your body, but you never paid heed to them. Therefore, in this video, we will enlist 5 vitamins that will help to decongest your lungs. Want to find out more about these vitamins? Stay with us till the end of the video to find out. So, let's begin. Number 1, vitamin C. Vitamin C is no less than a miracle vitamin. You might know it for helping with colds, but guess what? It's also a lung champion. Vitamin C fights inflammation and makes your immune system stronger. The question is, where can you find this amazing vitamin? Well, in citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are like little vitamin C powerhouses. Here is a fun idea. Imagine making your very own citrus smoothie. It's like a tasty hug for your lungs. Just mix those citrus fruits, maybe add some yogurt or ice, and voila. Your super refreshing drink to start your day right is ready. So the next time you are munching on an orange or sipping on a citrus smoothie, remember that you are not just having a yummy treat. You are giving your lungs a boost with the incredible vitamin C. Number 2, vitamin E. Vitamin E is the lung's protective buddy. Think of it as a shield that keeps your lungs safe. This vitamin is an antioxidant, which means it helps guard your cells from harm caused by free radicals. But where can you find this fantastic vitamin E? Well, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are packed with it. Here is a simple trick to get more of this lung-loving vitamin. Grab a handful of almonds or sunflower seeds and munch away. It's like a mini feast for your lungs, giving them that extra boost they crave. So the next time you are reaching for a snack, remember to include some nuts or seeds. Your lungs will appreciate the protection, and you will be on your way to keeping them strong and happy. Stick around because we've got more vitamins to explore for your lung health journey. Number 3, vitamin A. Vitamin A is the superhero for your respiratory system. Look at it as the caretaker, ensuring your lungs stay in tip-top shape. You can find this fantastic vitamin in sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. These colorful veggies are like a treasure chest of vitamin A. It helps take care of the mucous membranes in your respiratory tract. These membranes act like protective blankets for your lungs, making it tougher for congestion to sneak in. It is like a shield that keeps your lungs safe and sound. So, what's the secret to keeping your lungs clear and happy with vitamin A? Simply load up your plate with those vibrant veggies. Whether it's a delicious sweet potato dish, crunchy carrot sticks, or a leafy green salad, you are giving your lungs the support they need to stay congestion-free. Number 4, vitamin D. Time to shine a light on vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin that does wonders for your lungs. Did you know that soaking up some sun can help keep your lungs clear? Vitamin D is like a best friend for your immune system, and it's got this cool anti-inflammatory power. Again, the question is, where can you find this fantastic vitamin? Think of fatty fish like salmon and tuna as your lung-loving pals. They are loaded with vitamin D. If fish is not your thing, don't worry. Fortified dairy products are also great sources of vitamin D. But what if the sun is not shining bright, or you are not a fan of fish and dairy? Here is a trick. Consider a vitamin D supplement. It's like a little boost for your lungs, ensuring they stay in top-notch condition even if the sun decides to hide. So, whether you are basking in the sun, enjoying a delicious salmon dinner, or taking a supplement, you are giving your lungs the vitamin D support they need. Number 5, vitamin B6. Saving the best for last. Let's talk about vitamin B6 now, the unsung hero in the world of lung health. This vitamin is like a silent guardian, working behind the scenes to keep your respiratory system in check. How? Well, it helps your body make antibodies that fight off infections. Now, where can you find this undercover agent called vitamin B6? Think about bananas, chickpeas, and chicken as your B6 buddies. They are like a power-packed trio that can give your lungs the support they need. Here is a tasty idea for you. Whip up a delicious banana smoothie. It's like a vitamin B6 party in a glass. Or toss some chickpeas into your salad for a lung-friendly meal that's both delicious and nutritious. So the next time you are enjoying a banana treat or digging into a chickpea salad, remember that you are not just satisfying your taste buds, you are also giving your lungs a boost with the amazing vitamin B6. Here we have reached the end of this video. Which of these vitamins do you find fit for you to acquire? Do share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you soon in the next video.